I'm gonna record some ambience and put it in this track.
Thank you for watching. Please smash the like button to support me and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's read some comments. Jay says 9 minutes 36, epic, next comment. OMG, I didn't expect that.
I'm still Indonesian people.
Matt Berry says, one of my favorites, lot of energy and a very punk spirit. Thank you, Matt, well done, because that's really the spirit I was trying to give to this painting. I'm glad you like it. Ok, next comment, Cédric me dit excellent travail, merci John, c'est touchant de voir que tu prends le temps de répondre aux commentaires. Préfères-tu le tutoiement ou le vouvoiement sur YouTube? Joli pullover. Merci Cédric, je préfère qu'on m'appelle maître. Non, je déconne. Les deux me vont en fait, et cette question ne se pose même pas pour les Anglais. C'est la beauté du français. Donc, comme tu veux. David says, this is not one of my favorites. I feel that you can do much better. Plus, you painted over some really good stuff. You are an impressive and fearless artist. One of my favorites in the whole world. I hope one day I can be impressive and fearless. I'm sure you are. Yeah, some people like Matt really liked it. But it did get less likes than usual. That's what happens when you take risks. That's art. I hope you liked today's painting. I mean, Led Zepp didn't write tunes that everyone liked. They left that to the Bee Gees. Whoever finds out where this reference comes from will have all my admiration. But I think the main reason was that some people had a completely different idea of the final picture than one I had in mind, and this probably surprised some of you. But I think it's cool and punk, like Matt said. I ended up creating a painting that was very close to what I wanted to create. The subtle transparency of the final painting is something that looks better in real life than in a video. This is due to the fact that cameras have a very limited range of vision compared to the naked eye when seeing a painting live. Otherwise, thank you for the compliment. And it's very true that I am fearless with paint. But if you ever saw me hiking near the edge of a cliff, you would see something very different. This was the last painting of 2019. Thank you for being such faithful and loyal subscribers to our weekly videos. And thank you for the love. Vous êtes formidables. Avant de vous quitter, je voudrais vous donner l'opportunité de commander mon DVD gratuit. Vous pouvez trouver le lien dans la description ci-dessous ou cliquer sur l'image juste ici. Si vous souhaitez voir d'autres vidéos, cliquez ici. Je vous souhaite à tous un très bon réveillon pour l'année 2020. I wish you all a very happy new year and a very prosperous 2020.